In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a reminder or reminders in Slack. Alright, so you can easily set reminders on channels or on individual conversations in Slack. To do this, go ahead and find the conversation that you want to set a reminder. For my case, I want to set a reminder on this thread or on this message that I just sent, and I'd like to be reminded about it tomorrow. So to do that, go ahead and just hover over the message, and towards the end here, you'll see more actions. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see remind me about this. From here, choose the time duration to be reminded. For my case, I want this reminder for tomorrow. So I'll click on tomorrow, and immediately you can see we have a letter or saved for letter mark added to it. Now you can see also the due time or due date will be added on it. So if I go to letter here, you can see that chart that I added a reminder is here, and we have an option to mark it as complete or even to edit reminder. So once this time elapses, I'll be reminded of this. So that's how you can set a reminder on your tasks in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.